They jumped me.
No. Okay.
Yes, y'all
so
did.
come here.
Hey. I'm a white person. KKKK. Nah. I'm with y'all. I'm with the white people.
On March 19th, Lake County Police responded to reports of a violent domestic disturbance involving multiple individuals. Witnesses reported two women engaged in a heated argument that quickly turned physical. When officers arrived, one woman claimed she had been attacked by a couple, but before police could fully assess the situation, tensions exploded once again and another fight broke out right in front of the police officer.
All right, what's going on?
She's drunk. We came from the
bar. Would you guys stop?
Wait, could you lock her up? This is my house.
This is her house.
Can you go back over?
No,
over here.
Ain't
nobody
they just jumped me.
Okay.
I
can only talk to one of y'all at once.
I called you. They jumped me.
Okay.
Yes, y'all
so
did.
come here.
Hey,
stop!
Hey, stop! Stop! Stop!
Yeah.
Move.
Fight
Hey.
101. Fight 101.
You guys need to stop.
Good, boy. We good. I got it.
I'm throwing her in cuffs.
No.
Hold her back.
Jazz, go. Jazz, get it. Let police get her.
Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah. Take me to jail. Because them just jumped me. Yeah, yes, you did.
Chill out.
Yes, you did. Y'all jumped me. And it's okay. I got you. Without your nigga.
Roll over.
Don't let the strap kick me.
Would you
Don't let
back
the strap get that me. You let her hit me. I'm on the ground. Dumbass. I'm on the ground. You let them fight me.
Then
Shut the fuck up.
walk over here.
You let them hoes fight me. You let them fight me. I'm in cuffs. I'm in cuffs. Shut the up. You let them fight me. You let them fight me and I'm in cuffs?
Yeah, because you were at it.
Shut your ass up. They just jumped me. What are you talking about? I'm by myself out here.
And I
I'm
want to
by
talk.
myself.
I want to talk to you
They
and figure out what's
jumping me.
happening.
Javante, you a dick in the booty, uncircumcised ass. Jasmine, you a fat, sloppy. And your nigga weird. And he beat on your son. He beat on your son. He beat on your son. He don't even like your son. He don't like your son.
Get in the car.
He don't like your son. He be beating
Get
through the
in the
ass.
car.
They beat through the ass. They beat through the ass. They beat through the ass on my floor. Fuck is wrong with you? What's up? No, I don't have anything. They jumped me and your team got me in the backseat.
I just got you.
Okay, touch me. Come on. Come on.
You got anything? You got underpants, underwear? What you got?
I got on whatever you want me to.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm mad.
All right.
And they just jumped me and I threw up.
Okay.
Come on.
That's fine.
Come on.
You can throw up all you want. You're going to sit in it, not me.
I'm not sitting in it.
Okay.
Come touching me. Right. I'm a white person. KKKK. Nah. I'm with y'all. I'm with the white people. I'm with the white people. Javante, you a faggot. And you suck. You a suck. Nah. You're gonna die. You better aim. Oh my son. My cousin. You. What? Y'all don't know y'all actual brother. Shut the up.
We're gonna have a female search you.
I don't give a.
Just let you know what's going
I don't care.
Okay.
Y'all let the people jump me. Tell her to come touch me. She can play with this too. With her fine ass. Tell her to play with my right now. Touch me. Nah. Ho. Come touch me. Fuck is wrong with you? What's up? No, I don't have anything. They jumped me and your team got me in the backseat.
I just got you.
Okay, touch me. Come on. Come on.
You got anything? You got underpants, underwear? What you got?
I got on whatever you want me to.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm mad.
All right.
And they just jumped me and I threw up.
Okay.
Come on.
That's fine.
Come on.
You can throw up all you want. You're going to sit in it, not me.
I'm not sitting in it.
Okay.
Come touch me. Right. Come do your job, ho. What are you talking about? Me in the away from here. I'm getting away from this place. I hate Illinois. Javante, I'm gonna you. I'm swear to God, I'm getting a from these people. Don't ask about me. Don't say shit about me. I swear to God, I'm getting away. I'm getting away from Illinois forever. Hurry up. What the I'm finna do? What's wrong with y'all weird ass? Javante, you're gonna die. Hurry up. Shut your ass up. Let me out. I cannot breathe. Y'all ugly, dirty ass reptilians. That's why y'all ass not human.
We're gonna make sure those cuffs are comfortable for you, okay? So it's not.
So can you just stay seated right there and then look?
Right, I'm sitting right here. Just come and do what y'all finna do. Okay. Y'all talking about? I'm the victim here. Get my shit out of his car.
What do you have in his car?
All my shit is in his car. My purse, everything.
Okay.
My shoes, everything.
We'll go figure out what's all in there. Okay?
No, you don't care.
Just a second.
Y'all putting me in like I'm a victim. I want to press charges on that nigga. He put his hands on me.
Stop. Stay in the car.
I want to press charges on him. Shut the f like I'm doing something. Something about stop. I'm an innocent 28-year-old woman. Try ass. And that fat ass Mexican, Vietnamese, whatever you is, yo fat ass. Yo ugly ass. So I look better than you, hoe. Yeah. The f***ing pigs. Pigs. The pork. Not even supposed to be in this lame ass town. With y'all whack ass. I'm not getting no mugshot. Get my stuff out his car.
My sergeant, my partner, are going to get the stuff right now.
You get my wig.
Is your wig by the car?
Yeah, it's in the car. Get my stuff.
All right, let me make sure they know about.
Get my stuff, bro. Get my shoes. Where is my stuff?
All right, they're grabbing it now, and my partner knows about your wig.
I can't believe it. I'm suing y'all. I hope y'all know that. I'm suing you. Okay. Y'all took me and I'm the victim. So just know y'all get sued. Hey, Javante! Tell him to get my shit. It's not that hard. Y'all put me in these cuffs so fast. That jumping me. I am suing y'all. Look at my face. I'm losing these cuffs a little bit.
Those are on purpose.
No, they're not.
I just checked them.
No, you didn't. Hurry up and get my shit. That's it. They just gotta put the flash on it. They trying to be funny.
They're trying to make sure they got
Take him to jail. Take that man to jail. He put his hands on me. But y'all not taking him to jail. This section at her dirty ass. Government ass. Off the government. Bum. This on Section 8. Sir. Roll my window down. I can't even breathe in here.
I'll roll it down once we start driving.
Damn. Why y'all not taking him to jail? And he jumped me. He put his hands on me.
And again, I wanted to talk to you about that.
But you took their word against mine. You got me in defense mode. They were fighting me. Give me my stuff.
Oh, you can just throw it on the floor. Okay.
And I'm going to press charges on that. Her brother brought me here. How the f am I trespassing? I didn't even drive here.
Yeah. All right.
Her brother drove me here. I told him to drop me off. I was in Waukegan, sir. He brought me here. Where's my wig?
It's in the bag up there.
Well, you better put my wig on, because I'm not taking no picture if I don't got my wig on.
I'm going to bring everything you got in there with us.
Yeah. You got my purse?
We got your purse.
My shoes?
As the situation was brought under control, officers placed the suspect into custody without any further major incidents. According to authorities, 28-year-old suspect was charged with battery, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct in connection with the incident. She was later released from custody and assigned a court date of May 18th. As with all criminal cases, the charges are allegations, and the suspect is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. With that being said, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this police body cam footage and would like to see more real-life encounters, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.